Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these Powerextra batteries. So these are for Sony NP-F970 batteries, but these are the Powerextras and they will fit in the place of the Sony battery. It comes with this nice charger. It's got these 2 pins here. That's what you're going to slide in. Put it right there, slide it in, and we can charge channel 1 or channel 2. We can charge both of them at the same time. There's a nice display up here. What I really like is you can charge this with USB-C or micro USB. So it does come with this nice cable, but you are going to have to plug it into your own wall charger. So plug it in. This is USB-C. I've got both batteries installed. Plug it in, and there we've got the 2 channels. I've got them charged up. They came with about half charge, and the display will tell you when they're fully charged. It's pretty nice. Okay, let's take a close-up of each battery. 7.4 volts, 8,800 milliamp hours. Here's what the end looks like. So again, let's measure them real quick. These are about 2 3/4 that way, 2 1/4 that way, maybe, yeah, 2 1/4 that way, 1.5 inches that way. And they're pretty heavy. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.